finally, it's finished. After 10 days of work, I finally got this baby pudding. Oh, hey, Freddy, what's that? Oh, it's just a vending machine, nothing here. Oh my gosh, that's epic. Why'd you make it? Oh, just so the kids that didn't go trick-or-treating can have some fun too. Well, that's really smart, Freddy. Pretty sure they'll be coming around here, but do the kids have any money? Hold on 1 minute. Yeah, I installed a ATM, but it doesn't actually work, so I'm gonna have to hire someone to go inside and put money. Okay. So what you're telling me, if I go in that ATM box and hand kids money, if they type in a random password, I get paid? Yes. Okay, show me how to get in. It's just like a cardboard box. Just pull it off. Okay, what do I do now? Okay, come out. And then you're gonna grab the money and then go back in. Okay. All right, that's perfect. Okay, thanks. Okay, now, this is a real vending machine. It's real. So, yeah. So let's just go in this corner then. Okay. Lol.
Whoa, that's cool. What is this?
Hey, is that Nightmare Freddy? Baby Nightmare Freddy?
Yeah. I decided to dress up as an Among Us character. My uncle hot glued it on. Hot glued the suit together. Yay. I didn't go trick-or-treating. I just like going around.
Oh, that's a shame. We have an ATM and a vending machine to get some candy.
Oh, sweet. I don't really know what to do. 6, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, money. Legal currency.
Now what I do? Just slide it through the slot. Now what I do? Press which ones you want.
Okay. I could really use a Hershey bar. That's B5. It's working. Whoa, my favorite. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys.
Well, guess we must just wait then.
This is so boring now.
Yeah, I'm getting voice cracks. Me too. So, what are we doing here? What are we doing here now? Well, our best option is just wait more. Okay.
Hey,
Lefty, do you have your kid with you?
Yeah, we thought he died, but he didn't. Sorry, I had a piece of candy stuck in my throat. Yeah, I actually got a new girl voice, so how do you like it?
Yeah, I like it pretty good. Me too.
Well, little Jeremy here would like... what do you want? Kit Kat.
Ooh, he can speak now.
Yeah. So do we need to pay with our own money?
No, just go over to the ATM over there.
Oh, you guys are the best. Here, hold him for a second. Do I enter my rail code?
I don't care.
Okay. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, $5. That's a lot of money. Okay, he wants Kit Kat, so. Kit Kats are like B7? Yeah, I guess that's right. Wow, that's a big piece of candy right there. Hey, you better share that.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh, you got a little vending machine over here. Well, I haven't eaten in 4 minutes. And I am super hungry. So I would like some money to get in the vending machine, please.
Hey. Oh yeah,
Wait a second. I hear Springtrap. Are you stuck in the ATM? Don't worry. I'll save you.
No, that's unnecessary.
Hi, Springtrap.
I better be getting paid for this.
Ooh, hello. Wonder if I... beep. I'm just gonna press all the buttons. Oh, God.
And my goodness, I'll just take all this. Thank you very much. This will get me about, like, 5 more seconds of...
But what if I were to press the infinity button?
Special delivery for Freddy Fazbear, which is my best friend in the whole wide world.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go. Candy hot tub. Into the pit. More like into the pit of candy. Yeah, he's lost his mind, hasn't he? Oh, you missed one.
Ooh, what are you doing there?
It's been 10 hours and I've been in here for... Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to bed. I've been sitting here too long watching this guy eat. I should probably restock the vending machine before I go to bed, in case anyone wants a midnight snack. Hey, let me do that for you. Really? Thanks, buddy. No problem.